Hey guys, it's Lena from LA Plans, and today I will be doing an unboxing with you guys. So this video is going to be divided into two parts. So I'm going to have this unboxing, and then I did have another unboxing video that I didn't publish just because the timing wasn't right with everything going on. I didn't want to post content, and so I'm just going to include that in here. And so ignore any like date sensitive information when it comes to that, because I think I do mention this unboxing in that previous video, if that makes sense. But I'm just going to go ahead and get started and open up this one, and then after this I'm going to have another unboxing with my other purchase from Cloth and Paper, and then I'm up to date with all of my unboxings from Cloth and Paper for the time being. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in. And so this is all of the newest items that I ordered, and so in this order it looks like it came with one of the journal cards from the May subscription box. And so we have this, we have our thank you card with the one of the May freebies, and then this is an all accessory order. So I am going to start with the page flags. So I ordered the cashmere and then the chia and lime fresca, and they also came out with the espresso, but I got that in the May subscription box, so I didn't order it because I have a lot of page flags. And so these are the three new colors. And so the espresso, let me put this on the back just to show y'all how it looks. So I like keeping just one on the back so I can see what it looks like on paper. So this is what the espresso looks like. It is definitely a darker page flag. And then let's take a look at the cashmere. And so I'm just gonna put it over the one for right now, so we can see what it looks like over text. So here is the cashmere. And then here is this one. And so this one is definitely more of like a lighter green. I love all of these new colors. I'll do the same with the espresso while I talk, just so y'all can see that. I love all of these new colors. I think they're really pretty, and these are some of my favorite colors. So here's the espresso as well. So these are all of the three new page flags. And then I'm just gonna put these on the back. But these are the three new page flags. And then I ordered all of the new sticky notes because I am so excited for these. So I don't really have anything but like the solid color sticky notes from Cloth and Paper because these have been sold out. And so I'm so excited for these. So we have the urgent, the memo, the to-do, and then the message. And so I'm gonna open all of these up and share them with you guys. Okay, so first up is the message. And so you have importance, low, medium, and high. And so you can either color code different items on here by importance, or you can just mark if this message is like a low importance, high importance, and that's how I've been using them. But we have these, and they are all 3x3. And then we have these to do, which is probably my second favorite next to the message. I'm really excited to use these. And then we have urgent. And then we have memo. And then that is everything. So I'm going to insert the clip of my last unboxing that wasn't published. And then at the end of the video, I am going to do a planner cart update and share how I am storing everything on my planner cart from both of the unboxings. Okay, so we are gonna start with the sticker holder, and it looks like it has the planner cards and the freebie in here as well. And then we have the new sticker holder. So I'm really excited for this and to see how many it can hold. So we're gonna unwrap this. Oh, and then we also have one of the May freebies as well. But this is the sticker holder. So this isn't in the shop. You did have to order, I believe, on Memorial Day and only on Memorial Day in order to receive this. But I will test this out in just a moment. But until then, I'm really excited that I finally have a place to hold all of my cloth and paper stickers. So we're gonna put this to the side, as well as the freebie. And then we're gonna get into the 2020 spiral bound planner. And so I think I'm gonna use this for work. I don't know exactly what I want to use this for, but I do know because it was $10, I did just want to try it out. So it is the vertical layouts, which I really love. So let's open this up. And so you have, if you have the personal inserts, it's the same design. It's the same sheets, just in a spiral planner. And so I'm debating on what I should use this for. And I'm thinking I'm going to use this for work. Just so I can have like a full view of the week in here and just use this as like my weekly planner for work, since I only have a daily. And then it also goes with the notes message pad that I have. But I think that's how I'm going to use this. But it's just the same as the inserts. And then you also have these numbered pages that go to 31. And I think that's going to really come in handy for me. So I think I'm going to use this for work. But this is the spiral bound planner, and it was only $10. And so it does look like it comes with a pocket in the front and just in the front. But what I really like is that it has the volume 2020 on the side. I think that's really nice. But I'm really excited to use this. And then I'll probably won't share too much on this because I will be using it for work. But I will share something. So that is the 2020 spiral bound planner. And then I ordered the new message pad. So this one will be for my office. I brought the one that came in my subscription box to work because I absolutely love this notepad. So I did order a new one of these. And then I also ordered the task insert notepad. And so I really love this insert. So I have it in both my A5 and in my personal. And so I wanted to get the notepad as well because I feel like this is the best way for me to quickly jot down ideas. And that way I can keep my inserts in my planner, but this will just be for notes that I need that I don't need with me in my planner. So I did grab these two notepads, and then I also picked up two more items. So I ordered the meal planner inserts as well as I think these are called the activity tracker inserts. And so these are personal. And so I'm gonna be using these for health and wellness. I'm gonna create a mini health and wellness section in my personal that I'm actually gonna do on camera with you guys. So first I'm gonna move notepads out of the way. These are gonna be on my planner cart as well as the freebie. And then I'm gonna grab my personal and show y'all what I've been doing. So for these came in the April subscription box, I believe. I've just been keeping them under lists, and so I've been doing meal planning and then having the activity tracker per meal plan. And so I'm going to continue to do that with these. I just wanted to replenish this. A couple of other things that I picked up that I want to share with you guys. So I've been doing a couple of small orders here and there, and they've been coming in sporadically, so I didn't really get a chance to do a video. Otherwise it'd be me showing you like 2 things per video. But I did get the glass divider, the CEO glass dividers for my personal. And then in my A5, I also ordered the Do What You Want to Be Known For dashboard, as well as the new inbox. And so I think those are the only other things that I've ordered in between videos. But what I'm gonna do in here is, so I have the meal plan, so I have my meal plan inserts, and so I'm just gonna put an activity tracker between each one, and that way I can use them both together. And that's gonna be my little health and wellness area. And so I love these because you can track your water intake, your calorie intake, and then there's also an activity tracker on the side, so if you walked or if you did something, you can write that down. You can count down like your steps, and then you can create a wellness goal or just like a little memo. So I am excited to have these in here and to continue to use them. And so now I have one per week, so I can track everything and have everything all in one spot. But this is my little health and wellness section. And then I'm gonna put these back in here, and we're gonna keep these to the side. So here is the updated look on my planner cart with all of the new accessories. And so I just need to go through and clean it out. But I now have every page flag and sticky note, like these types of sticky notes from Cloth and Paper. So I need to find a new way to organize them, because I'm like, these are all double of page flags. But in here, I just have all the page flags, some sticky notes. I have extra sticky notes to the side, but I need to find a way to put them on here. But I have these planner cards from Infinite Lotus, some more planner cards. I think those are all from Cloth and Paper. And then we have the message notepad, and so I just have it on this acrylic easel, just so I can easily grab it. But I want to find a new way to put my notepads together. So I have this other one, and then this one, and so I really love both of these. This is the sticker holder that came with purchase for Memorial Day from Cloth and Paper, with some of my most used stickers. And then I have some new ones behind here, just some personal inserts. And then in here, these are all of my most commonly used sticky notes. So I have the tabbed sticky notes, which I absolutely love, planner cards, appointment cards, habit tracker, and then I have all of the new sticky notes, including the inbox one, which is probably one of my favorites. I just doubled up on some of these too, but these are where I'm going to put them because I use sticky notes more than anything. And I really am excited to use these and incorporate these into my planning system. And so I put all of these up top so it's easier to grab. When it comes to page flags, those are more for, I use the page flags a little bit less than the sticky notes. So I'm just keeping them down here and then I just pull it up whenever I need it. But yeah, this is the updated look of my planner cart and how I'm storing all the accessories as well. Other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.